What's going on, YouTube? Markel here, back with another video, and the Insta360 Ace Pro 1, the original Insta camera, right? I really like this camera, but honestly, this camera is not a fit for the way I film and what I do because of the weight and the size. When film quality and photo quality, I'll show you some B-roll of that right now. This camera is actually pretty good. I do like the image quality that comes from this. I do like all the settings, how you can make the colors vibrant. When taking photos, you can take 48 megapixel photos with this thing, and they're pretty decent photos. Most people won't know what it came from. But when it comes to this camera as a whole, I'm not a blogger that goes out in the field and blogs like this. I normally film with the device on my chest. So like I have, a family of Insta cameras now, the 360 camera, the 1X2, and the small Insta360 Go-To, right? I really love this with the necklace because you can pull this camera out, and this is the whole size of it with the necklace, put it on your chest and film. It's super light. People notice it here and there, but for the most part, people really don't notice it. And the same with my favorite camera, the Osmo Action 2 from DJI. Very small little camera that goes on your chest with the necklace, super light, you barely notice it there. All right, and I have another camera coming that's super light and small as well. Hopefully it would have got here before Christmas, but it looks like I'll get it after Christmas. But anyway, I'm saying all that to say that this is not a light camera at all. Of all the action cameras that are out right now, this is the biggest, the heaviest, and the bulkiest because of this screen here on the back. Now, like I said, if you are a blogger, right, and you're willing to spend the money for all the accessories, the microphone adapter, the quick capture clip, the ND filter, and all that stuff, right, this is actually a pretty good setup because you have this big screen that allows you to see everything. You can frame yourself up perfectly with this big screen. Love that. The 8K is more of a gimmick to me because that's a huge file. 8K is not the standard right now on YouTube, so 8K, I would never really use the 8K feature on this. It looks okay, but it's not something that I would like feature, put it that way. But it's just too heavy for what I do. This is just far too heavy. And then as far as like filming outside the car or inside the car, that's what this is for, I don't have to worry about where I'm putting it. It's a 360 camera, so everything will be in view. I can go back and reframe it. And again, it's light. It's not a heavy, even with the stick, this is a light camera. This, on the other hand, no. No, this is not a super light camera in comparison to all the other cameras and the camera style that I use to film with. So for me, this is just going to be I'll bring it out every now and again if I think about it, or I may end up selling it, or I may just give it away to someone because it is a good camera. Don't get me wrong. It's a durable camera. I've already dropped it and nothing happened to it. Can't even tell it's got a scratch on it anywhere. But it's just not my style. And I got to be more careful when buying things, even though this was on sale for 200 bucks. This just doesn't fit what I do as far as the way I film. Even when I go on my trip next month, I got a trip coming up going to an amusement park, right? And I do plan on blogging, but I'm gonna blog with the camera that I have right now, my Sony ZV-1. And I was thinking of taking this, but the mic quality is not gonna be what you guys hear now because I have to buy an adapter and all, and ND filters and all that. It's like, I'm not gonna put that kind of money into this because I'm not gonna use it, That's my only thing with it, guys. I really like the image quality. I really love the app that Insta360 has and all the different things that you can do with this footage in the app, but it just doesn't fit my style, okay? So I just wanted to share that with you guys and show you some of the image quality and the photo quality from this. It's a great camera. It just doesn't fit me because of the weight and the size. So just a lesson learned, just because it's on sale and it looks great and people advertise it and the influence of getting it, You got to find, in my opinion, what fits your style, regardless of what's on sale or not. And this is just something that's just too bulky and heavy to fit what I like to do. All right, guys, that's it for now. I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.